All right, Mike, thanks. Turning now to your smile and just how white it could be. If you turn on the TV or go to the movies often, you know just by looking at celebrities, having those pearly white teeth is certainly a trend. So how do you achieve it? Because Health Matters dentist Steve Mangum is here to explain, and you brought some props with us. We hope we can get a good shot of this. And I'm guessing this is what people come in looking like. You find them on this scale,
well,
is that right?
When we do crowns, bridges, veneers, things like that, of course the objective is to match, in many cases, what they have. And so, classically, you know, we had shade guides like this, and I don't know if this is easy for you to see, but in any case, they have a range of colors which are considered normal. And so, people come in and they're used to saying, okay, well, I want to really have a white smile. What can I do to make my teeth white? And in the old days, we used to say, well, we can bleach your teeth. And I say old days. Well, we still do that a lot. I mean, we still have people who want their teeth bleached. But what I've started finding, and it was interestingly about a year ago this month, that there was a big front page article on the Democrat Gazette style section that was saying, why so white? Yeah. And as a matter of fact, that is exactly what we hear all the time. People are going, I want them whiter, whiter, whiter. Well, so really what I wanted to talk about today is that we need a little bit of a reality check. Where is the whitest that we can get?
Gone totally
well, we have. Well, so when you look at the shade guides that were available in the old days, about the whitest you could get was, you know, just a certain shade on here. And now people don't want a shade like that. So in current shade guides, this is one we use for composite fillings, the tooth-colored fillings, and we have these normal colors, and then they had to start making other shades that don't exist in real nature. They're these ultra-white shades. And so, anyway, because of that, people come in and they're no longer satisfied with what they can get with just bleaching their teeth, and they want really, really white teeth. Well, as a matter of fact, you can get those.
How do you do that?
Well, the only way you can get those is not by taking out stains, which is what bleaching does, but to add something that is whiter. And that's what veneers and crowns do. And so, you know, I supplied a few pictures, and, you know, you might want to take a look. There's one of them that I talked about that is veneers before and after, and you can see that some guys, you know, they had what I consider to be normal-looking teeth, and then if you go to an after shot, you'll see that what was okay is now no longer okay. They want these ultra-white teeth. But you can do it. It's just not going to happen by bleaching. You're going to have to get veneers and crowns to get that kind of really Hollywood white.
Well, let's talk about just maybe not going so far as veneers or whatever, but maybe going to the store and getting some of the over-the-counter products. I hear they work really well these days.
Okay, now, we tell people that there are 3 ways that you can bleach your teeth. And there are over-the-counter products like Crest White Strips. You can do tray bleaching. And then you can do the in-office power bleaching. Every one of those has the potential to get your teeth the same level of white, but it's just how much effort it's going to take for you to get there.
And how much money you want to spend.
Right, exactly. In fact, if you do the ones that's the least amount of work for you, the patient, it's going to cost more because the dentists are doing more work. And if you do the one that's over the counter, you're probably going to spend a lot less money, but it's going to take you a lot more time.
And hopefully we'll back off from this trend of way too white, whiter than nature, as you say, and maybe get back to the way we were.
Well, sometimes we may be content, but you know, I think that as long as we get exposed to so many movie stars with these ultra-white teeth, we're going to want it.
Those images are very powerful. Thank you so much for being here, Dr. Mangum.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
We'll be right back.